If you want to go from beginner to fluent in English, the first thing you must understand is that fluency is not magic. It is not a special talent. It is not a gift that only smart people have. Fluency is a skill, and like every skill, it can be built step by step with the right method and daily practice. Many beginners think that they are bad at English. They say, "I don't have confidence. My grammar is weak. I forget words." But the truth is simple. You are not bad at English. You are just untrained. When a baby learns to speak, they do not study grammar rules. They listen, they copy, they repeat, they make mistakes. Slowly, they improve. You learned your first language in the same way. You can learn English in a similar way too. Before we talk about methods, we need to fix your mindset. If you keep thinking English is difficult, your brain will resist learning. If you think, "I can improve every day," your brain will look for progress. Fluency begins in the mind. You must decide that you will not quit, even if you feel slow, even if you feel embarrassed, even if people laugh. Progress is always slow at the beginning, but if you continue, it becomes faster. Now let's talk about the first stage, understanding basic English. As a beginner, your main goal is not speaking perfectly. Your goal is understanding simple English. Start with very easy content. Listen to slow English videos. Watch simple conversations. Read short and easy texts. Do not choose difficult movies or advanced books. If the content is too hard, your brain will feel tired and frustrated. Choose material where you understand at least 50 to 70%. That is the perfect level for growth. Listening is the foundation of fluency. Many students focus too much on grammar books. Grammar is important, but it is not the first step. Your brain needs input before it can produce output. Think of listening as filling a glass with water. Pouring the water out is speaking. If the glass is empty, nothing will come out. So, listen every day, even if you understand little. Your brain is still learning patterns, sounds, and sentence structure. When you listen, do not just play the video in the background. Focus. Try to understand the meaning. Listen to the same short video many times. The first time, you may understand little. The second time, more. The third time, even more. Repetition is powerful. Your brain loves repetition. It turns confusion into clarity. Reading is also very helpful. Start with short stories or simple articles. When you see new words, do not panic. Try to guess the meaning from the sentence. This builds thinking skills. After guessing, you can check the meaning. But do not try to memorize hundreds of words in one day. That will not work. Learn a few words daily and use them in sentences. When you use a word, you remember it better. Now let's talk about vocabulary. Many learners try to memorize long word lists. They learn difficult words that even native speakers rarely use. This is a mistake. Focus on common, everyday words. Learn the words that people use in daily conversation.
Words like get, make, take, go, come, think, and feel. These simple words are extremely powerful. They are used in thousands of sentences. Instead of memorizing words alone, learn them in sentences. For example, do not just learn the word improve, learn a sentence like, "I want to improve my English." When you learn full sentences, you learn grammar and vocabulary together. This makes speaking easier later.
Now we move to speaking. Many beginners are afraid to speak because they think they will make mistakes. Let me tell you something important. Mistakes are proof that you are learning. If you never make mistakes, you are not trying hard enough. Speaking is like going to the gym. The first day feels uncomfortable, but if you stop, you stay weak. If you continue, you become strong. Start speaking alone. Yes, alone. Talk to yourself in English. Describe your day. Describe your room. Say what you are doing. For example, "I am sitting on a chair." "I am watching a video." "I feel happy today." This may feel strange, but it trains your brain to think in English. Thinking in English is the key to fluency. After you feel more comfortable, try speaking with other people. You can find language partners online. You can join speaking groups. At first, your sentences will be simple. That is okay. Fluency does not mean using difficult words. Fluency means speaking smoothly and confidently, even with simple vocabulary.
Pronunciation is another important part. If people cannot understand your words, communication becomes difficult. Listen carefully to how native speakers pronounce words. Copy their tone and rhythm. English has music, it has stress and flow. Do not speak word by word. Connect words together. For example, instead of saying, I want to go, say it naturally, I want to go. Listening and repeating helps you improve pronunciation naturally. Now let's talk about grammar. Grammar is important, but do not let it control you. Many learners stop speaking because they are thinking about grammar rules. This breaks fluency. Grammar should support your speaking, not block it. Learn basic structures first. Learn present tense, past tense, and future tense. Learn how to make questions. Learn how to make negative sentences. These basic tools are enough to start real conversations. Practice short paragraphs. Writing helps you organize your thoughts. Write about your day. Write about your goals. Write about your favorite movie. When you write, you notice your mistakes. Then you can correct them. Writing improves both grammar and vocabulary. Consistency is more important than intensity. Studying 10 hours one day and then stopping for a week will not help you. Studying 30 minutes every day is much better. Your brain needs daily contact with English. Even small practice builds strong habits over time. Another powerful method is shadowing. Shadowing means listening to a sentence and repeating it immediately, like an echo. Choose a short audio clip, play one sentence, pause, repeat with the same speed and emotion. This improves pronunciation, rhythm, and confidence. It also trains your mouth muscles to move naturally in English. You must also surround yourself with English. Change your phone language to English. Follow English pages on social media. Watch English content for fun, not only for study. When English becomes part of your daily life, learning becomes natural. It stops feeling like homework. Let's talk about confidence. Confidence does not come before action, it comes after action. If you wait to feel confident before speaking, you will wait forever. Speak first. Confidence will follow. Every time you complete a conversation, even a small one, your confidence grows.
There will be days when you feel stuck. You will feel that you are not improving. This is normal. Language learning is not a straight line. Sometimes you move fast, sometimes you move slowly. But if you continue, progress is guaranteed. Trust the process. Fluency also requires patience. Many people want to become fluent in 3 months. That is possible for some, but not for everyone. Everyone learns at a different speed. Focus on progress, not speed. Compare yourself only with your past self. Ask, am I better than last month? If the answer is yes, you are on the right path. Set clear goals. Instead of saying, I want to be fluent, say, I will practice speaking for 20 minutes every day, or I will learn 5 new words daily. Small goals are easier to achieve. Achieving small goals builds motivation. Motivation is important at the beginning, but discipline is more important in the long term. Motivation comes and goes. Discipline keeps you moving even when you do not feel excited. Create a routine. Choose a fixed time every day for English practice. When practice becomes a habit, it becomes automatic. Another key step is thinking in English. Many beginners translate every sentence from their native language into English. This slows down speaking. Try to connect English words directly with meaning. For example, when you see a chair, think chair, not the word in your language. This reduces mental translation and increases speed. Listening to different accents is also useful. English is spoken in many countries. Do not train your ear for only one accent. Exposure to different accents improves understanding and flexibility. Celebrate small wins. If you understand a full video without subtitles, celebrate. If you speak for 5 minutes without stopping, celebrate. These small victories keep you motivated. Fluency is not perfection. Even native speakers make mistakes. They forget words. They correct themselves. Fluency means you can express your ideas clearly and comfortably. It means communication flows naturally. As you move from beginner to intermediate level, focus more on conversation. Share your opinions. Tell stories. Ask questions. Communication is a two-way street. Listening carefully to others is just as important as speaking. Reading books becomes easier as your vocabulary grows. Choose books slightly above your level. Challenge yourself, but do not overwhelm yourself. Growth happens when you step slightly outside your comfort zone. At the advanced stage, focus on details. Improve pronunciation clarity. Learn idioms and natural expressions. Watch interviews and debates. Notice how people express emotions, agreement, and disagreement politely.
Record yourself. This is a powerful method. When you listen to your recording, you hear your mistakes clearly. You also notice your progress. Over time, your speech becomes smoother and more confident. Do not be afraid of silence in conversation. If you need time to think, it is okay to pause briefly. Speak slowly and clearly. Speed will increase naturally with practice. Remember that learning English is not only about language, it is about connection. It allows you to talk to people from different cultures. It gives you access to knowledge, opportunities, and global communication. When you feel tired, remember why you started. The journey from beginner to fluent is not a straight road. It is a path with ups and downs, but every day of practice moves you forward. Even if progress feels invisible, your brain is building connections. If you practice listening daily, read regularly, speak bravely, write consistently, and stay patient, fluency is not a dream. It becomes your reality. One day, you will notice something amazing. You will start speaking without thinking too much. Words will come naturally. Conversations will feel easier. That is the moment when you realize you are no longer a beginner. You are fluent because you did not give up. You trusted the process. You practiced daily. You accepted mistakes. You stayed consistent. And that's the real secret. There is no shortcut. There is only steady progress. So start today. Start small. Stay consistent. Believe in yourself. Your fluent English future is not far away. It is built one sentence at a time.